Good morning, everybody. Well, if you saw in the previous videos with the tractor, we tried to start ploughing the field and our tractor was not having any of it. So that's currently getting fixed at the minute, and we have our friend turned up to plough the fields. So the soil is getting turned and we're getting awful close to planting the seeds. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. One mad dash here at the minute. We've just finished milking and our friend's turned up with the plough. So we're just moving all the tractors out of the field now. So we're just moving the tractor that we've been putting together in the last few days. This is the one that lost the pin in the engine last year, which we've started to fix back up, but she's sat in the field that we're ploughing and we need to drag her out of the way. Just hooking the manatee on now. Top where we can finish doing work on it and the fields can get ploughed. It's a lovely sunny day. Ready? And two is successfully on a tractor at my bottom. Muzzle. Shoosh beeping. Waiting for the breakfast. We finished milking and our friend has turned up with a tractor. So we are going to get our fields ploughed today. As you saw in some previous video, the UMZ that we were using on our plough had a problem with the back ram, which has gone away for fixing. The UMZ last year popped the pin out on the front of the engine, so she's currently getting fixed too. So with a tractor down and a half a tractor. But yep. The fields are currently getting ploughed and then we can get the seeds in the ground. So we just fed the little lambs in the other pen that were chewing on my coat, and we've come into the other pen and we got 2 new babies. Beautiful set of twins. What do you think, Churchill? Good boy. Mwah. He's all ploughed up. Taking the horses out to pasture now. Up the Mag's movie. This is nice green grass. Happy horses. All ready to be seeded. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. We are all ploughed up now. Waiting for the seeds to be delivered, and then we can get them in the ground. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care everyone. Catch you soon. Bye.